Welcome to Impart Math Knowledge. This video is about measures of skewness. I am going to discuss about Bowley's coefficient of skewness. Check my previous video for Colpearson's coefficient of skewness. Bowley's coefficient of skewness based on quartiles and median. The formula is Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 median divided by Q3 minus Q1. First one, individual series. We have to calculate Bowley's coefficient of skewness. For finding quartiles and median, we have to arrange the given data in ascending order. 7, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 50. Lower quartile Q1 is equal to size of n plus 1 by 4th item. Here n is equal to number of items. So n is equal to 9. Size of 9 plus 1 by 4th item. Size of 10 by 4th item is equal to size of 2.5th item. This is nothing but average of second and third item. Here the second item is 9 and third item is 10. Q1 is equal to second item plus third item divided by 2. This is equal to 9 plus 10 by 2. Lower quartile Q1 is 9.5. Median is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2th item. Here n is equal to 9. So this is equal to size of 9 plus 1 by 2th item. That is size of 5th item. Median is equal to size of 5th item. Here the 5th item is 13. So median is equal to 13. Median is equal to 13. Upper quartile Q3 is equal to size of 3 into n plus 1 by 4th item. This is equal to size of 3 into n value is 9, 9 plus 1 by 4th item. This is equal to size of 3 into 2.5th item. This is equal to size of 7.5th item. This is nothing but average of 7th and 8th item. This is equal to 7th item plus 8th item divided by 2. Here the 7th item is 15 and 8th item is 16. Q3 is equal to average of 7th and 8th item, that is 15.5. Q3 is equal to 15.5. Bowley's coefficient of skewness is Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 median divided by Q3 minus Q1. Q3 is equal to 15.5, Q1 is 9.5, median is 13. Divided by 15.5 minus 9.5. Simplifying this, we get minus 0.1667. Bowley's coefficient of skewness for this particular problem is minus 0.1667. Next one, discrete series. In the discrete series, finding quartiles and median, we have to find the cumulative frequency first. Let me write the values x, f and cumulative frequency. X values are 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Frequencies are 7, 11, 17, 15, 14, 10 and 11. Frequencies are 7, 11, 17, 15, 14, 10 and 11. Total frequency is 85. Now we have to find the cumulative frequency. First value write as it is. Second one, 7 plus 11 is equal to 18. 18 plus 17 is equal to 35. 35 plus 15 is equal to 50. 50 plus 14 is equal to 64. 64 plus 10 is equal to 74. 74 plus 11 is equal to 85. Now we have to find lower quartile Q1, upper quartile Q3 and median. Q1 is equal to size of n plus 1 by 4th item. Here n is equal to total frequency, that is size of 85 plus 1 by 4th item. This is equal to size of 21.5th item. In the cumulative frequency, 21.5 belongs to this category. So the corresponding x value is lower quartile. So Q1 is equal to 35. Q1 is equal to 35. Median is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2th item. Here n is equal to 85. So size of 85 plus 1 by 2th item. So size of 43rd item. In the cumulative frequency, 43 comes under this category. So the corresponding x value is median. Median is equal to 40. So median is equal to 40. Q3 is equal to size of 3 into n plus 1 by 4th item. That is size of 3 into 85 plus 1 by 4th item. This is equal to size of 64.5th item. In the cumulative frequency, 64.5 comes under this category. So the corresponding x value is upper quartile. So Q3 is equal to 50. Q3 is equal to 50. Bowley's coefficient of skewness is Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 median divided by Q3 minus Q1. This is equal to 50 plus 35 minus 2 into 40 divided by 50 minus 35. Simplifying this, we get 0.3333. Bowley's coefficient of skewness for this particular problem is 0.3333. Next one, continuous series. For finding quartiles and median, we have to find the cumulative frequency first. Weight in kg more than is given, number of persons also given. We have to find the frequency first. More than values are 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. More than values are 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. Number of persons 185, 167, 132, 82, 38 and 12. Here more than values are given. The class interval is 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 and above. We have to find the frequency from number of persons. 185 minus 167 is equal to 18. 167 minus 132 is equal to 35. Then 132 minus 82 is equal to 50. 82 minus 38 is 44. 38 minus 12 is equal to 26. At last you write the value as it is. Total frequency is 185. From this frequency you have to find the cumulative frequency. 18 plus 35 is 53. 53 plus 50 is 103. 103 plus 47 is 147. 147 plus 26 is 173. 173 plus 12 is 185. Now we have to find lower quartile, upper quartile and median. Q1 class is equal to size of n by fourth item. Size of n is equal to 185. 185 by fourth item. This is equal to size of 46.25th item. In the cumulative frequency, 46.25 comes under this category. The corresponding class interval is Q1 class. So Q1 class is equal to 50 to 60. Q1 is equal to L plus n by 4 minus cumulative frequency preceding the Q1 class divided by frequency in the Q1 class into length of the class interval. Here L is equal to lower limit of the Q1 class, that is 50 plus n by 4 is nothing but 46.25 minus cumulative frequency preceding the Q1 class is 18. Frequency in the Q1 class is 35. Cumulative frequency is 18. Frequency is 35. Length of the class interval is 10. So Q1 is equal to 58.07. Next one, median class. Median class is equal to size of n by tooth item. Here n is equal to 185. So size of 185 by tooth item. Size of 92.5th item. In the cumulative frequency, 92.5 comes under this category. So the corresponding class interval is median. Median class is equal to 60 to 70. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 cumulative frequency preceding the median class, frequency in the median class into length of the class interval C. Here L is equal to lower limit of the median class, that is 60 plus n by 2 is 92.5 minus cumulative frequency preceding the median class is 53, frequency in the median class is 50. Now median is equal to 60 plus 92.5 minus 53 divided by 50 into length of the class interval 10. Median is equal to 67.9. Q3 class is equal to size of 3 into n by 4th item, size of 3 into 185 by 4th item, that is size of 138.5th item. In the cumulative frequency, 138.5 belongs to this category. So the corresponding class interval is Q3 class. So Q3 class is 70 to 80. Q3 is equal to L plus 3n by 4 minus cumulative frequency preceding the Q3 class divided by frequency in the Q3 class into length of the class interval. So Q3 is equal to L value is lower limit of the Q3 class, that is 70 plus 3n by 4 is 138.5 minus cumulative frequency preceding the Q3 class is 103. Frequency in the Q3 class is 44. 103 divided by 44 into 10. Simplifying this, we get Q3 is equal to 78.06. Bowley's coefficient of skewness is Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 median divided by Q3 minus Q1. Q1 is equal to 58.07. Median is equal to 67.9. Upper quartile Q3 is equal to 78.06. This is equal to 78.06 plus 58.07 minus 2 into 67.9 whole thing divided by 78.06 minus 58.07. Simplifying this, we get 0.0165. Here I clearly explain how to calculate Bowley's coefficient of skewness in the individual series, discrete series and continuous series. Hope you all understand. Thank you for watching.